To the LS100 breakdown. I'm Jay, and today we're going to be replacing the electric motor in the LS100 blower. Here at my shop, we carry all the spare parts of the motor, the blower, the brackets, the wheel, and the infamous flapper. So, what you want to do is take a 1/4-inch nut driver and take all the screws out of the top metal part. When you get those out, detach. And what I like to do is take a long-handled screwdriver, place behind the hub of the wheel. With a couple quick hits, the wheel will come straight off. Then take your 7mm nut driver and loosen up the nuts on the back side of the motor. Take the metal plate off. Make sure you recycle the old one. New motor. Place back into the 2 holes on the bracket. Place your 7mm nuts. Try not to lose them. And on the blower wheel, which is a forward curve wheel, there will be a flat spot on the motor, on the shaft of the motor, and just line that up. Press it down to where it's flush or just a hair over, and you're good to go. Take the blower housing, and the part that you really want to watch is that little nub on the flapper. So there is the second hole. Just make sure you line that up correctly. Line up the holes for the screws. And screw them in. And you really want to make sure that it's lined up correctly. Make sure the flapper is working right. And then we power it up. And there you go.